How to delete all liked videos on TikTok. Now there's not a single button you can click to dislike all of the liked videos. What you can do is hide your liked videos, then only you can see it. But if you don't want to hide it and just delete the liked videos, all of it, then the only thing you can do is talk with TikTok staff and ask for their help. Now this might work, this might not. It's like a 50-50 chance, but this is the only thing you can do if you don't want to hide your likes. Click on profile at the bottom, click on the three line at the top, click on settings and privacy at the bottom, scroll all the way down until you see report a problem, and over here inside report a problem, scroll all the way down until you see chat with us and click on it. Now over here you can talk with TikTok staff and give a valid reason. If you give a valid reason, TikTok staff will help you to accomplish your goal of deleting all liked videos. But if your reason is not valid, TikTok staff will just say sorry, we cannot help. That's why I'm telling you it's a 50-50 chance. If the reason is good, they will help. If it's not, they won't. So hope you understand how to delete all liked videos on TikTok. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.